I believe a healthy lifestyle is achieved through the small choices we make every single day. Lately, one of those choices for me has been juicing. It's a simple and delicious way to add more nutrients, improve your digestion, and boost your immune system. In today's video, I'm sharing 3 super easy juice recipes you can make to stay healthy. We're going to need a juicer for all of these recipes, and not all juicers are the same. There are different types, each with their pros and cons, and price ranges, of course. So if you're new to juicing, I recommend doing your research and finding one that fits your needs and your budget. I'm starting off with my current favorite green juice. I love having this with my breakfast every morning, or as a quick way to energize my body after a workout. It's detoxifying, cleansing, and filled with nutrients. For this, I use 1 apple, 2 cups of kale, 2 cups of spinach, 1 lemon, and a small piece of ginger. And when I don't have kale or spinach on hand, I'll add a scoop of a greens powder like this one and mix it in at the end. Depending on the juicer you have, you might want to chop some of these ingredients so it fits better into your juicer. I definitely want to upgrade my juicer in the future, but this one gets the job done for now. It's more on the affordable side, and I think it's great for beginners, so I'll put a link to it in the description box below. If you're new to juicing, this recipe is a great one to start with. It's packed full of nutrients, and it's super delicious. During the cold and flu season, I like to take preventative action by consuming foods that support my immune system. This juice is perfect to drink as a way to prevent sickness or when you're trying to recover from it. I use 1 large orange or 2 smaller ones, 4 carrots, 1 lemon, a small piece of ginger, and a small piece of turmeric. If you don't have fresh ginger or turmeric, you can definitely substitute with powder. A little bit goes a long way, so I would just add a pinch of each. Some people like to juice their citruses whole. I like to peel mine because the skin can alter the taste a little bit, but do whatever you prefer. I peel and chop all the ingredients and add everything into the juicer. This juice is packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and it's a great way to boost your immune system. By the way, I have been loving these cups. I got a set of 4 of them on Amazon, and I've been using them for my juices and smoothies, and I've just found them very useful. They come with lids and straws, so they're perfect to take on the go. I'll have them linked below if you want to check them out. Pineapple is one of my favorite fruits. It's the perfect amount of sweet and tart, and I love how refreshing it is. When I want a very hydrating juice, this is what I like to make. I use 1 cup of fresh pineapple, 1 medium cucumber, 2 to 3 celery stalks, and 1 lime. I wash and chop everything into smaller pieces, and then I start juicing. I recommend using organic fruits and vegetables, especially when it comes to juicing. Juice is absorbed into our system much more quickly, so we want to make sure we're fueling our body with quality ingredients. But if that's not possible for you, make sure to wash everything thoroughly and remove the peel. And all of the ingredients in this recipe have a high amount of water content, so this juice is perfect to have during the hot summer months or anytime you want something refreshing and hydrating. I'm all about the simple life, so if you're like me and you enjoy easy, healthy recipes that don't take a lot of time to make and that don't require a lot of ingredients, I'll have my recipes playlist linked on the screen. Let me know what your favorite juice recipe is in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon.